Hello guys, I'm Harika, one of the pharmacists practicing in Victoria. I work for a public hospital as a clinical pharmacist. I'm also an accredited pharmacist, a consultant pharmacist accredited by Australian Association of Consultant Pharmacy. I've been an overseas registered pharmacist for a while. I finished my graduation and post-graduation, that is Master of Pharmacy in India. And then I moved to Australia. At the moment, I've been associated with academically teaching students to clear knowledge assessment of pharmaceutical sciences exam. This exam is which is this is an entrance level exam which enables an overseas registered pharmacist to practice legally in Australia. So I've got Rekha with me. Congratulations, Rekha, you made it.
Thank you.
It was pleasure teaching you. So Rekha joined our training program for last 2 months, and she cleared the exam like in just 2 months' time, which was incredible. Good job. Congratulations.
Thank
So,
you.
I'm sure your journey will be inspiring to all of us. So I'll ask you a few questions, if that's okay.
Yeah,
Sure.
I'm so happy to share my experience.
I can feel your energy today. Okay. So Rekha, my first question. Can you please introduce yourself? Give a brief introduction of yourself, what you are, where you come from, your hobbies, and like everything.
Yeah. First of all, I would like to thank Academically for giving me this opportunity to be interviewed as a successful aspirant from Academical. Uh, like coming to me, I don't want to go in so brief, but like my name is Rekha and I'm like graduated and postgraduate in pharmacy from JNTU. And later I had industrial experience in Natco Pharma Limited. Then after marriage, I moved to Australia in 2019. Then like I have a plan to give a KAPS exam from 2019, but I never dared to give it. But finally, I made it now.
That's good. You did a very good job, which is great. In just 2 months, you made it. Not
Yeah.
much preparation, just with academically, and like you've been associating with our teaching,
Yeah.
which was good. So my second question to you is, can you please share your KAPS exam journey and your preparation strategy, which will be useful for your juniors taking this exam?
Yeah. Like I did my assessment, like eligibility assessment in 2019 December. But like whenever I open the book, I mean, everybody knows the pharmacy is a big black ocean, vast ocean syllabus. I used to read like bits and pieces in some subjects, and I was not so confident before. But like I heard about academically. I mean, I was a bit active in social media. Everybody knows that. So I saw that academically in Instagram, and I contacted Akram sir. And when I spoke to him, he said, uh, you join us. Like if you listen to 2 or 3 lectures, and if you feel confident that you can, like we are confident that you can do it, and if you feel like we'll be useful to you, you can join us. So I said, okay, I'll go with the demo class first. Then I joined the academically, and I felt that okay, this is the best path, so I can clear my exam, and I joined the academically. And uh,
That was your journey, yeah, towards the
yeah,
exam. And then
yeah.
how did you prepare for the exam?
Preparation, like first when I joined academically, like 70% of the portion is completed. And but academically has a good strategy and plan. The schedule is very fantastic, because like all the lectures which were previously completed by the lectures have been recorded.
Yeah.
And those help me a lot. And the notes, I mean, whatever is covered in the lectures is given like handouts. This is very useful. The recorded lectures and handouts are very useful to me. Like the mock test, and I've been doing the mock test regularly, and that helped me a lot. And like when I'm doing my real exam, I feel like I'm doing a mock test.
Yeah.
So I didn't feel like I'm doing the real exam.
Yeah.
And my best suggestion for my juniors is be regular to the classes, and go through the handouts and listen the lecture 3 times, go through the handouts 2 times,
Yeah.
and mock test, repeated mock, like
Yeah.
repeat it. Like sometimes I did like first time I did correct, then when I repeat the mock test, sometimes I'll do the wrong,
Long, yeah.
and yeah,
Then
it
you,
happens to me.
yeah.
So like whatever I do the wrong ones, I'll make a note, I'll make a sticky note, and so that I can remember. And like some topics, it will be so confusing, so I'll make a group, certain drugs, and like if drugs started with A, I made a group, and specifically I made a category for that drug. No,
Yeah.
in that way I was able to remember. And the especially I really like the strategy of academical, you made the vast syllabus into concise form. That helped me a lot. Thank you.
That was so kind of you, so kind words. So you strongly think mocks help you too.
Yes, a lot, a lot.
So you found many questions repeating from mocks and handouts and classes?
Yes, a lot. Yeah, I can say simply I was doing like a mock test in the real exam.
Yeah, true. That's good. Feels good, isn't it? Like you
Yeah.
feel like you've already done the test and
Yes,
awesome.
yes.
So you didn't have stress during the exam.
No, not at all.
So we are kind of stress buster for you. That's good.
Before joining academical, I was so stressed because I had a baby, and I was like, I don't know
Yeah,
how to manage.
yeah,
But
yeah.
it,
You got like streamlined
yeah,
coaching, which is good.
yeah,
And it's your hard work because we are just teachers, but it's you who have done all the hard work, actually smart work, and you've been very quick in learning and understanding concepts, which was good.
yeah.
Great.
Thank you.
Um, and then, like with the teaching strategy, what do you like in the teaching strategy of the tutors and academically?
Like uh, both the tutors, like Arif sir and Harika ma'am, you are like you. I really like the way like you divided the portion among yourself, and you made it easy. Like I was so confused in pharmacology,
Yeah,
from especially in the drugs. There are so many drugs. No one can remember so many, but
good.
you made it very easy. Like you gave us the essential drug list and the doses for it, the separate side effects for the drug. Like the notes made by you, and especially the posology. Coming to posology calculations,
Yeah,
I was not like I was not able to. I thought when I get calculations in the exam, I'll skip the calculations. But in my real exam, as soon as I read the calculation question, I kept the answer. I
that's
mean,
good.
because the training gave by you,
Yeah.
it was so
So
useful.
you've done your concepts in calculations and you found calculations repeating in your exam, what we taught?
Yes,
That's good.
yeah, the mock test one, it was repeated a lot.
Yeah. And many people find paper two tough. What was your experience with paper two?
No, I felt paper one is tough. Paper two, I finished it within like 1.5 hour, and half an hour I was still rechecking. But paper one, I was so worried. Like I had the paper one exam phobia in the paper two, while like I'm doing paper two,
Okay.
because I was so concerned about the questions what I did wrong. So
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
was
Think
scared.
about the previous
Yeah,
paper. Yes. Yeah.
yeah. So what I understood from my exam experience is that you need to go from the basics. I mean, you need to do smart work instead of hard work.
Hard work. True, true, true. And
Yeah.
you did it. It's a smart
Yes.
work more than a hard work because clearing exam in just 2 months preparation. You've joined us like 2 months before exam.
September 1st.
Yeah, it was so quick and it takes a lot of smart work, not hard work. And definitely you've like listened to what we said and followed the strategy, which is good. And even like you have a child who's very naughty, but you made it, which is good.
Yeah.
I think you
Yeah.
should thank your family for the help and support.
Yes. Yes. My special thanks. Like first, I would like thank to my family and academically both. Both. Yeah.
Good. That's good, dear. So, what are your future plans?
Uh, since I saw my result, and I was like thinking I'm looking for internship now.
Yeah.
So soon I'll attempt my PTE, and as soon as I get the PTE score, I'll register for PBA.
Yeah.
Then after my internship, certain hours, like I'll go for the intern written exam.
Yeah. And
And yeah,
yeah,
hopefully I'll be the registered pharmacist of Australia now.
you will make it. It's
Yeah,
not like you've done the toughest part, which is CAPS. So you'll breeze through. I'm sure you'll breeze through oral and written exams as well.
yeah.
Our support is always there with you.
Thank
Uh,
you.
thanks for your time and patience, and thanks for sharing your journey. So you strongly recommend academically to your friends? Do you?
Yes, yes. Oh,
Promotion. But
yeah.
yeah, that's great. It was an incredible journey, and we loved teaching you because you were very smart, and we learned a lot from you as well. The questions you asked and the queries you had, the conceptual knowledge you had, you brought us something new as well, and you shared your knowledge. We shared our knowledge, and it became really a
Yeah.
colorful result, which we can see today.
Together we made a success.
I think you better sleep well today.
Yeah.
Because I know you had sleepless nights, but enjoy your success and keep moving forward. Thanks for your time and thanks for your support,
Thank
darling.
you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Rekha.
Thank you.